Hello again, all you YouTube people. Welcome to the channel and thank you for watching this video, Legendary Marketer Review 3 Red Flags. We're going to quickly be looking at this program and see if it's really the golden ticket to online success that it claims to be, or just another overhyped scheme. Now, for transparency, I have not taken the course nor given any money in any way to Legendary Marketer. But before we get started, I ask that you hit the like button for this video, subscribe to my channel so that more info can be delivered up to you. Also, please watch this all the way to the end of the video because I have a nice free gift for you for staying all the way to the end. But for now, let's get on with the review. First off, I have to admit that Legendary Marketer's marketing tactics are top notch. Their website has a beautiful, clean layout with a stark contrast to black and white with gold accents. With all the photos and the short testimonials, they make it look like you'll be rolling in money within days. But in reality, it's not that simple. Yes, they showcase some success stories, but let's be honest, not everyone who joins Legendary Marketer experiences these results. It's easy to cherry pick the best outcomes and hide the less impressive ones. Now, that's not deceptive in and of itself. Of course, you want to put the best look that you can of your business for the public to see. The marketing is not a red flag. It's what comes after the marketing is done and when you're asked to lay real money on the line that gives me pause. Here's the deal. The main draw of Legendary Marketer is their $7 15-day online business builder challenge. This is the great marketing that is hiding the first red flag. The way this challenge is presented makes it seem like you will be going through 15 consecutive days of training, or at the very least 15 days at your convenience and your speed of learning. This is not the case. Yes, your $7 puts you in the training course, but most of that course is locked to you. The only way to unlock further days in the training course is to have a Zoom call with an advisor that interviews you and is actually trying to upsell you into other aspects of the program. It's really just a salesperson. The advisor then sets your next appointment, possibly weeks later, that you must wait to unlock the next sections of the challenge. And you guessed it, the advisor will again try to upsell you more at that meeting, and so on and so forth. Many who have actually taken this challenge have reported that it feels like a never-ending money grab. And at the end of the 15-day course, you will be asked to purchase one of their blueprint upsells and more training for the 4 business models they offer. And this will run you a cost of $2,500 each. Personally, business tactics like this don't sit well with me. The second red flag to me is that this seems to be leaning in the direction of being an MLM, a multi-level marketing business. The most profits that people seem to be making after taking the course is from becoming an affiliate with them and selling the course itself. Money can be made in pushing this course, anywhere from $1,000 to $2,850 per sale, which is very good. But a structure based on you making the most profits by selling the course instead of teaching you how to launch out and make something of you and by you and for you is getting too close to being an MLM to me. The focus seems to be on Legendary Marketer's business and not yours. True, Legendary Marketer doesn't have the residual income structure of a traditional MLM. But if you're thinking of starting with Legendary Marketer, please give this some thought. True MLMs are not necessarily illegal pyramid schemes either, but I try to steer clear of MLMs or anything that resembles them. The third red flag has to do with their score on Trustpilot.com. If you search up Legendary Marketer on Trustpilot, you won't find it. But you will find an entry for David Sharp, the creator of Legendary Marketer. They have only a 2.2 out of 5. This is not a great score. Of the reviews, only 24% give it 5 stars and a whopping 71% give it 1 star. If you're looking at starting with Legendary Marketer, it would do you well to log on and read these positive and negative reviews before starting into the challenge. So in conclusion, Legendary Marketer Might work for a select few who are willing to invest thousands and have the right connections, but for the average person, it might not be the best deal. So, no, it's not a scam. But for me, it's not anything I would put my money, time, and effort into. My advice: do your due diligence before jumping into this program. Look for alternative options that might offer a better return on your investment without draining your bank account. Now, I have found an online business model that does appeal to me, and I think that it's a better, more sustainable business model than Legendary Marketer, and that is high ticket affiliate marketing. In high ticket affiliate marketing, you are promoting other people's products for large commissions, some up to $1,000 or more. Now, the big guys like Amazon and Walmart do have affiliate programs. You can be very successful with those programs. They're high volume though, and they have to be high volume because they pay out very, very small percentages to their affiliates. But with high ticket affiliate marketing, it pays out many more times higher than these other companies per sale. And that's what interested me when I was searching for what I wanted to do. With high ticket affiliate marketing, there's no product creation. Somebody has already created something. You're only promoting it. There's no stock to hold. There's no staff needed, and you can do it from home while still maintaining a full-time job. That's what I do. There are many free tools to help you get started, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Now, I believe in the potential of high ticket affiliate marketing for you as well as me, and that's why I'm offering you that free gift that I mentioned at the start of the video. I have provided for you a free cheat sheet that lays out the 3 proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with high ticket affiliate marketing. Simply click on the link that I've pinned in the comment below and you can access that free information. Thank you again for watching this video, Legendary Marketer Review 3 Red Flags. That's all I have for now. If you enjoyed this video and got anything out of it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Also, let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget your free gift in the pinned comment below. Now, let's take the information and let's go out there and let's do something great.